Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we're going to take a look at some sample footage from the brand new Blackvue DR970X dashcam. Now this is the successor to the previous gen DR900X Plus. It's got the same image sensor and the same lens as the 900X Plus, but it's got a new CPU from SigmaStar, plus it's got some new image signal processing. Now I'm going to have a follow-up video after this one comparing this new DR970X to the previous gen DR900X Plus and comparing it to the new VFO A139 Pro with the StarVis 2 sensor. And with this new 970 and its new image signal processing, I've noticed quite a bit of stuff has changed. I've got a lot of thoughts here on the changes. There's some improvements as well as some whatever the opposite of improvements are. And I'm going to cover all of that in the next video. But in this video, let's just go ahead and take a look at some sample footage so you can see what the video is like out of this 970. We're going to take a look at sample footage in the daytime, at nighttime, different weather conditions, both from the front camera and the rear camera, etc. And I'm really curious to hear your thoughts down in the comments as far as what you like and what you don't hear out of this dash cam. And so with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at some sample footage here from this new Blackvue DR970X.